Selling digital products can be an exciting and profitable venture. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started. First, identify your niche. Think about what you're passionate about or what skills you possess. This could be anything from graphic design, writing, online courses, or even music. The key is to find something that not only interests you, but also has a market demand. Research trends and see what people are looking for. Tools like Google Trends or social media platforms can provide valuable insights into what's currently popular. Once you've pinpointed your niche, it's time to create your product. This could be an ebook, a course, templates, or even stock photos. Focus on quality. Your product should solve a problem or fulfill a need for your target audience. If you're creating an online course, outline your content clearly, ensuring it's engaging and easy to follow. Remember, the more value you provide, the more likely people will be to purchase. Next, you need to set up your online presence. This involves creating a website or using platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify to sell your products. If you choose to build a website, make sure it's user-friendly and visually appealing. Include clear calls to action, and don't forget to optimize for mobile users. A professional-looking site builds trust with potential customers. Now, let's talk about pricing. Research what similar products are selling for and find a competitive price point. You want to ensure you're not undervaluing your work, but also not pricing yourself out of the market. Consider offering introductory pricing or discounts to attract your first customers. Once your product is ready and your online store is set up, it's time to market. Utilize social media to reach your audience. Create engaging content that showcases your product's benefits. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest to share tips, behind-the-scenes looks, or testimonials. Collaborating with influencers or bloggers in your niche can also help expand your reach. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Build an email list by offering a freebie related to your product. This could be a sample chapter of your ebook or a mini course. Once you have subscribers, keep them engaged with valuable content and updates about your products. As you start making sales, gather feedback from your customers. This is crucial for improving your products and services. Encourage reviews and testimonials, as social proof can significantly influence potential buyers. Use this feedback to refine your offerings and address any concerns. Finally, don't forget to analyze your sales data. Look at what's working and what isn't. Are certain products selling better than others? Are there specific marketing strategies that yield better results? Use this information to adjust your approach and continue growing your business. Starting to sell digital products is a journey filled with learning opportunities. Stay adaptable, keep experimenting, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Your passion and dedication will shine through, and that's what will ultimately attract customers to your digital products.